P. Mama P. What do you want chop? This is not plaster.
Give me my food.
No, not plaster.
Which kind of wahala? This is how Shageg is supposed to eat every morning. Not fufu. I wonder how na fufu they eat.
Mama P. Mama P. What do you want chop? This is not plaster.
Give me my food.
No, not plaster.
Which kind of wahala be this, God?
Mama P, you want chop plaster?
Leave me, make I chop my plaster. This one, they know they call am plaster, na cheese. Na cheese, then they call am.
You eat them with the waterproof?
Yes, I eat them like that.
You don't come out the waterproof?
No.
Hey. It's sweet.
It's sweet, well. Well.
Hey. And you don't even cook the...
Come out your hand for my food, Shagege. What is your problem?
The green leaves.
This girl no go finish me. What is your problem? You say na fufu you go eat every day. I dey eat my food too. Wahala. Shagege, it's okay. As you dey look this food, my belly self go pain
Only
me.
lifting bag you dey take. You no put milk.
What is your problem?
Hey.
Shagege, what is your problem?
But for Africa, we go cook this, cook am so till e go boil, then we go come add milk.
That is your Africa. This is Europe. See the way we did.
So person go only drink tea bag, you no go use milk.
You never know.
At least you boil one kettle of tea bag, then you go add small milk, make the color change.
So you know how to drink tea.
We dey drink am if my uncle wey dey for Europe, if he return, na so we dey drink am.
Now if you no return, na fufu you dey eat.
Na fufu me I dey eat, you know me now.
Then leave me, make I eat my food as I like am.
Be like say this thing go sweet oh. Be like say e go sweet oh. I never see person chop plaster before.
Shagege, I told you that it's not plaster. It's the cheese, not plaster.
Cheese.
Cheese.
I know cheese. That time if my uncle wey dey Europe, if he come back, he go carry camera, he go say, cheese. He will snap us.
It's not that one.
Because that one no be food. He go just talk, cheese.
Village
He will
girl.
snap us.
It's not that one.
Okay, this one na food.
Village girl.
If
If they talk cheese, na that one I go put am inside bread to eat. Leave me, make I eat finish.
Okay.
Make I eat my food. Since na fufu you dey eat, leave me to eat, abeg.
I no see when she cook this vegetable. She just dey chop am like that. For my village oh, we dey cook vegetable, put am water, cook am well. E go boil. How person go eat vegetable wey e no cook?
This one they know they cook.
And even these beans, I no see where she put am for pot. No only that cupboard wey dem dey plug for electric. Na im put am 2 minutes e comot am.
And so then they eat them. I tell you to learn because you are in Europe. You are not in Africa again. Shagege. Learn, please.
Okay. I'll learn.
As I dey eat, if na fufu you go eat your fufu. But this my food though, let me tell you, you are not going to eat inside.
Hi.
Why? If you get time, you go eat.
Na for like try am.
No.
At least make I leave this fufu small. As you don't talk say na they make me fat. Make I leave and try this one now.
No. Tomorrow I go cook new one for you.
Okay.
This one I dey eat am to go work. But this morning, as you know, say then they make tea and eat and drink.
Again and again. Ooh.
Again and again.
Oh ma. Hey.
How person go eat then go look in face like this? Wetin dey happen? Again, you no go gree me and eat for this house. See as you don't fat reach.
Today I go chop all these foods. Mama P don't go. Make I enjoy myself. Wetin be my own. That thing where she dey talk na story. All this I go chop am before she go come back. Make I come enjoy myself. That thing where Mama P dey talk say I dey Europe, I go to eat small. Which kind eat small? Make I enjoy myself. As she no gree make me I eat my fufu again. At least if I eat all these breast with all these things, see my, I don't know even what thing they call this one, mayo naeze. I go eat them. She drink her tea with only this thing. Me, I don't already put this milk. I warm am for that cardboard where they plug for electric. I go even put needle join am. Put my butter. I don't already put my butter. I remain this plaster. I don't cook my egg. Cook my vegetable. Me, I no fit eat vegetable where they no put for fire. No be like that we dey eat for Africa. Now I go come eat this one. Whether na beans where they put for, I don't know, for bottle. Because these beans, you come out them for bottle. But me, I don't put them for that cupboard where they put for electric. A woman. Now me, I can enjoy myself for at least before she go come back. I don't believe which kind, what weight. I suffer for Africa now. I come here and one chop. She dey tell me say make I no chop, so I go fat. And no be like that. Then they chop for Europe. Say things they difficult. Which kind difficult? Before me I come here, they tell me say Europe na land of butter, bread, and honey. So me I go chop am. I no mind. And me I no fit eat food where they no cook. I don't already. This is not be plaster. I be think say na plaster. Oh boy. Hey. Again and again. Make I enjoy myself, Jerry. No be me kill Buhari. I be na me kill Jerry Lawrence. No, I go eat this life, you know, get duplicate now once. I don't know whether na like this. You shock at least this one don't boil. No be that one where she is where she no boil. Europe sweet make I put this mayo na eze. Join am. I will put butter join am. I'm looking behind. After I will come wire all my 4 eggs. She get plenty eggs there. I don't know why she know the chop. She dey tell me I go fat, or she dey tell me say for Europe things dey hard and people must watch their weight. I don't even know whether she comot the waterproof wey dey for the plaster chop am. I be she chop am like that. Abeg anyhow. Important thing me I chop. After we come drink this cocktail wine, wetin be my own. Europe is sweet though. Who thought say Europe no sweet? To hell with the person. Yes, so I don't know. She no cook this one. Then me I put am for that electric cupboard. I don't know what thing they call this one. Beans wey dey for bottle. It's sweet though. This mayo sweet though. My sweet pal. At least if she asks me whether I go eat fufu today, I go say no. With all this bread, before I go finish am, belle go full me. I no go chop fufu again. Or if she sleep, I go enter for kitchen, chop fufu, wash plate. She no go know.
Sagege. Who call me? Sagege, where you there? Sagege, I'm back. Oh. Sagege. Sagege, who called me today? Where you there? Sagege, as I dey call am, wey no dey mind me. Who know wetin dey vex am? Maybe as I no give am the food this morning. Now wow, this girl, whether I don't eat safe. Hey God. And since I don't stop am not to eat fufu also. But I dey sorry for am. She go fat too much. Only few days now, see as im body don't be. And she no fit know say I dey sorry for am. Just at least make she limit his food. He dey eat. Hey. No be your fault. Why you no go sleep like this? So this girl dey sleep like this. You don't take hungry sleep or waiting. My God. See your face. You like fufu, you go chop fufu today. This paper na fufu. You go chop am. See am. It no be your fault. You know they even here. Today I go deal with you for this house. Hey, now wow. No go finish me for this house. No feel welcome. Now wetin dey lick in hands? Wetin? It no be your fault. Now my fault. Where I bring you come here. Sagege, so na sleep you dey sleep like this. Wetin dey do you?
Mama P, you don't come back.
You know they see me.
I dey see you.
Na me be this. If you know they see me, na me be this.
I dey see you, no vex. Na hunger.
Na hunger dey make you dey sleep like this.
Yes. As the doc say, make I no go take fufu again.
So you take hunger sleep.
Yes, I say make I sleep at least before I go wake up. Night go come.
Okay, I don't come now. Make I make fufu for you. Don't worry.
No, don't worry. No worry yourself. I won't make I dey chop like Europe people.
Nah.
No say I don't add weight.
So today you no go
just
chop
this
fufu.
1 week. No, I no go. Not be only food. I no go even chop everything. I dey okay. No, just worry yourself. Eh?
You the vex, Shaggy.
No. I do okay, Mama P. No worry yourself. Eh? At least if I can do like this, I go slim down.
Oh, no vex.
And
Make I
then-
make fufu for you, Shaggy. Oh.
Don't just worry yourself.
She don't go. You see, I'm think say me I be mumu. Think say I no sabi anything. E be like say na like this me I go dey do. If she comot, me I go chop belle full. As she talk say me I no chop fufu again, I go dey take anything wey I see for house, chop plenty. Especially this bread plaster, e sweet me well oh. And that cupboard when they take food warm am, I go dey use am cook my food. She no go know. She no know say I don chop belle full. I don't get am today, na like this. You won't make I die of hunger. See, think say it's always something. I don't chop belle full, jare.